today I'm going to create a brush pile. So I've got some larger sticks here. I'm going to move on to going smaller and smaller until we get to this stage. Also got some conifer, some bark, and I've only got a few leaves. There's no dry leaves, so I need to go and collect some. So first of all, I need to start with the big sticks and lay them down and crisscross them like this, and then crisscross them over the top. So this is the base layer, and now I'm going to create the next layer with some slightly bigger twigs. So this is my next layer with a little bit bigger twigs. So you can see the layers up there. And then the next layer is going to be the smaller, tiny twigs. So that's the next stage. There we go. As you can see, creating little habitat for small mammals and insects. So the next layer, I'm going to put some bark on there. The woodlice look like in that. And now I've got some conifer to pop on top as well. So that's just going to be laid on the top. There we go. So, and some leaves. Shove some leaves in there as well. I need to collect some leaves. So there we go. There it is. So small mammals can get inside underneath to hide. It's good for insects as well. So let's hope we get some little visitors.